In a recent survey on equipment management, 27% of you told us you were frustrated with equipment breakdowns. There is now a solution that allows you to monitor equipment health, predict when a machine is likely to break down, and get them back on track if they do. That solution is a free and powerful equipment management technology called my.cat.com, or MCC as we like to call it. Here's how it works. Fire up MCC on any device and log in. Haven't got MCC yet? No worries. Watch our other video to get started. Visit the Health page and you'll see a full list of your machines. The first thing you'll notice are the symbols on the right, which are colour-coded. A red circle requires your urgent attention, like an alarm bell. An orange triangle needs attention, but it's not urgent. A blue circle is just keeping you up to date. No need to take any immediate action. Let's get rid of a red. Red is telling us that the machine urgently needs a service, so let's schedule one. Scroll down, check your details are correct and fill in the blanks. If you see events, this just means you can choose what is involved in the service. You can check which ones you want included and those you'd like removed. When you're ready, proceed and the service will be booked in. If you want to do the servicing yourself or set a reminder, go back a screen and choose Add Task instead of Schedule Service. Here, you can give the task a name, set a date, and ensure it's attached to the right machine. Include any relevant notes about what needs to be done. You'll get an email alert as the date is approaching. That's it. Easy as.